Hello, this is my new cooking YouTube channel. My name is Ayan and I'm here to make really good brownies. So over here we have our ingredients, and I recommend you using a 10-inch squared pan and flour and butter it first. I have baking powder here, salt over here, and you'll need vanilla extract and sugar, 2 eggs, and cocoa flour and some butter. So first off, we're gonna pour the butter into a bowl. Next, we're gonna take the sugar and we're gonna mix that a little. Next, we're gonna take the 2 eggs. Okay, crack. I learned this the hard way. There you go. My mom let me try it a long time ago, but then I got my fingers all gooed up. It was really difficult. And please, bring your parents to help you with this, because you're gonna end up cracking your eggs and splattering it all over the floor. Okay, now let's mix. Okay, after that, we're gonna put the cocoa, 1.5 cup. And then we stir. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 cup, 1/4 cocoa and 1.5 cup of the flour. I'm gonna mix that. Make sure you don't want to see any more flour, or else it won't turn out good and you're gonna get a non-good taste brownie. Remember, if you're like a 3-year-old or 4-year-old doing this, don't do it. Ask your parents to help you measure things out and pour it in. After that, it'll turn into like kind of a black sort of brown gooey texture that almost looks like slime. But not a good way of slime, but when you put it in the oven, it will taste so yummy. Got enough of that. Okay, now we're gonna put in the salt and the vanilla extract. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the baking powder. Make sure you don't see any of that anymore, like the flour. And then, let's just mix it more. Okay, make sure it's all dark and there's no more bits of any other stuff in it, or close to it. Okay, now we can pour it in. This is going well. You may want to spread it out a little after with your fork, spoon, or any other thing utensils that you're going to use to do this. Okay. There you go. And when you put in the baking powder, it'll puff up after in the oven. And it may be a little bit thin, just a little. Okay, so you're gonna preheat your oven for 360 degrees, and then we're gonna bake it. So, chop chop. Hello guys, so we just cooked the brownies, baked the brownies, and here is my older brother Aiden, but he's kneeling down. Okay, so he's gonna do the taste test with me. with you. No, I'm gonna do the taste test. You're not gonna have anything. Okay. Let's see how this is gonna go. Oh, I accidentally smushed it a little. There we go. Aiden, take yours. And it'll count down.
I can't see it. I'm too small.
You're too big.
It's gooey.
There you go. Okay, Aiden. So we cooked it to 25 to 30 minutes, which we are supposed to. So let's try Aiden. 3, 2, 1. Hot but good. Victory dance! Party, 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 just make brownies, yeah? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! It's a victory dance. Do your victory dance. Okay, Aiden doesn't have a victory dance. So sad. Too old to do anything anymore. Well, hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Ayan's Cafe YouTube channel. Bye.
Wait, is it done yet? Is it done yet?